Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how to accomplish a twist out just like this one. I know a twist out seems self-explanatory, but when you have 4C hair like me, nothing is self-explanatory. So over the years, I've learned the tips and tricks I need to accomplish a defined twist out like this and what products to use. And if you want to know what I do, just keep on watching. Okay, so I'm starting on freshly washed hair, so I took it out of the towel that I was drying in. Take some avocado oil. I take some Jamaican black castor oil, take some vitamin E oil, and I put that all throughout my scalp. I usually have a mixture of other things, but I'll show you that on a later date. I didn't have it today. But focus that on my scalp. And then I take the remaining and put it on like the ends because like the whole hair needs it. And so I would just massage that in and also kind of like fluff out my hair a bit. So now I'm taking the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore Leave-In Conditioner. And I'm just rubbing that all throughout my hair because it's a really good moisturizer and it contains ingredients that I like. I'm going to also show you like two other really important products I use throughout the video in a second. So the Shea Moisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie and also the Eco Styler Jamaican Black Castor Oil Gel. So here I'm showing you that I part the hair about this size and then I take a little bit of the Curl Enhancing Smoothie and I put that all throughout that section. And while I'm doing that, I'm like finger detangling, making sure that it's coating the hair properly. I finger detangle with my thumbs. I don't know, it just helps me out. So then I take a wide tooth comb and I comb my hair because you don't want tangles in your twist out or it's going to be frizzy and not defined. So you want to comb it out properly. So now you're going to see the actual twisting part. I feel like everyone knows how to twist. The special part of this is when I'm in the middle of my twist, I take some curl enhancing smoothie like this and then I smooth it through as I'm twisting. So that's like a key part so you can have like a defined twist. And then you're going to see me and I take some of the Eco Styler gel like this and I twist it throughout my hair like on the ends. Like I focus it on the ends so it can seal in the twist so it's not unraveling and also like just makes it more defined because that's what gel does. It makes things defined and together. Then when I'm done, like the twist, I like twirl it around my finger to seal it up. And yeah, that just makes the end curly and nice. So next I'm showing you the same thing, but I'm showing like the part size. So like I do a part about that big. And I'm doing the same thing. Take the curl enhancing smoothie, smooth it all through there, finger detangle with my thumbs a bit. Then once I finish finger detangling with my thumbs, I use the comb. And detangling is really important because if you don't detangle, then when you take down your twist, it's going to be frizzy and that defeats the whole purpose. So then I'm doing the actual twist. So I'm going to twist a little bit. Don't twist too tight. Then I take some curl enhancing smoothie and smooth it through so it can be more moisturized and soft when I take it down. Then towards the end part, I'm going to take some Eco Styler, like you see there. So then I'm taking some Eco Styler and I'm twisting some more just to give it that definition. Then I'm going to do the finger twirly thing and that's how you do it. So by the time I get to the top part of my hair, it's kind of dried a little bit. So I put some more leave-in conditioner just to moisturize it and make it easier to work with. Then I divide the hair like that front section before I do the middle section just because like it's easier for me because I like to see where I'm parting my hair because I like a side part. So that's what I'm doing here. It doesn't really need to be neat. So I'm just like evening it out, but it doesn't need to be neat. So then I divide where I want my side part to be and then just start twisting from there. So once I have that, I can finish the rest anyhow I please. So next is a very important step. I use bobby pins to stretch out my hair. So because I can't like stretch it and pin it to my neck, so I'm just gonna like cross it over so I can pin it to the other side in the back, like you see here. And then like when I pin that side, I do the also the other side of the bottom. So I take that, stretch it over, and bobby pin it right there as well. And I just keep going throughout the back, just bobby pin it straight back because I have hair to bobby pin it too now. And I don't stretch it too much because you don't want it to be too wavy. You still want like a curl. So you stretch it and then bobby pin it, but leave the ends free so it's still like curly like that. And then you're done. And I'm just showing you how the back looks, not neat or anything like that, just enough. Then I'm going to sleep, so I'm putting my bonnet on, and I'll see y'all in the morning. So it's the morning, and I'm going to start by taking the bobby pins out. Just taking them out and getting my hair to be free. Then I kind of just like make sure that everything's all right, like stretch it out a bit. And once I do that, I start taking out the hair. So when you do this, it's like gonna be easy if you detangled properly. So that's why detangling is important. So I don't know if you guys can see, I just pull it, like I start from the root and I pull and it just unravels so beautifully. Like what you do is like you twist it, like you see here, twist, and then that opening section, you pull it open from there. There you go. And that's how you do it. So that's why you want to make sure your twists are like neat and your sections when you twist are equal, because if you start pulling hair from other sections, it's not going to be a neat unravel like that. So here I'm just showing you that method again where I twist the hair like in the opposite direction and then find that opening and open it from there and pull it out. So when you're actually twisting the hair, it's important that like even if you run out of hair, make sure that you're not grabbing hair from other sections to try to fill it up, because that's just not gonna make for a nice twist out. It's not gonna be defined, and when you like unravel it, it's gonna be frizzy. And now you just see me kind of feeling for if I missed any twist. So now you're seeing me actually separating the hair. When you separate it, it's important to like pull it and then see where it naturally separates, then divide it from there. So see where it naturally separated, then I pull it from there. Because if you pull from a place that's like a natural clump, you're going to have frizz. So you just kind of like, frizz is unavoidable, yes, but like you can limit it. That's also another reason why I said it's important that it's detangled, because if it was tangled here and you try to divide it, it's going to be an issue. So yeah, I just go through each of those strands of the twist that you see, like those curls, and I divide them for more volume. So now I'm just taking a pick comb and I'm fluffing out the roots because I want to like cover the parts where I divided to make the twist. So I just kind of want to cover that up and like create more volume. So here you can see I'm just fluffing out the back. Don't comb it out all the way because like you just destroyed all the twist you did, but just fluff out the roots so you can have that volume. And then you're all done and you can admire your beautiful twist out. And here I'm just showing you guys a back view of it. So it's not spacey because we picked it out and it's done. Okay, so I hope that video was informative for anybody who needed it. And if you know somebody who needs it, you should share it because sharing is caring. And you should subscribe to my channel because there's more videos on the way. If you look at my channel, there is a couple months gap, and that's okay because I'm in college and I got busy. But there are more videos on the way, and if you have any video suggestions, just comment them down below because looking for ideas if anybody wants to see something. And yeah, oh, I said I was gonna give this girl a shout out and she thought I was kidding. I'm giving a shout out to my little sister Chisom because she wanted to learn how to do a twist out properly. I don't know, like her twist outs sometimes they don't work as well and mine do. So she's like, what's going on? So I was like, I'll make this video just for you. And here we are, Chisom, just for you. So now you know how to do a twist out. And everybody, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. See you guys later.